Hi, want to know how to increase the volume on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open our Google Play Store on our phone and then find this application name of which is Volume Booster. Here, the developer name should be Goodif. Now, when you have downloaded this app, click on this big blue button Open. Here, as a next step, we should allow to the volume booster to allow send us notifications. So we click on this button, and here we would need to click consent. Now, as a next step, here you can see how the volume booster looks. It looks like just a little setting on your screen. So as you can see, currently our volume is 27%, and like this, we can make it to 100, which is the maximum of our device without this application. And now we are interested in this boost, which will make the volume louder than before. So here we can move it from 0 to 60% because going up 60% may damage the speakers of your phone. So here I will leave it, for example, on 20%, so it will be slightly louder but not too much. And here you can also see the warning, which is saying that boosting the volume of your phone is all at your own risk. So this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.